Hello guys, what is going on? It is James here. I'm coming at you with a little MacBook Pro upgrade. Now we need for this a RAM, need our SSD, and you will also need an 8 or 16 gigabyte El Capitan boot drive and a little screwdriver. The beauty of this MacBook Pro, it is so easy to do. You literally take the 10 screws out the back, just like so, and then you can dive in and start doing your upgrade. This is the 2009 model I'm doing this on, and it should go through all the models up until the Retina display ones. Now you can take off your backplate and put it to one side, and we can start the SSD upgrade. So we start by removing this little bracket using the 2 screws. This actually holds the current hard drive in place. We can take that out and put it to one side, then simply lift the tab up with the hard drive, and then we can pull out the SATA cable just there, like so, nice and easy. And then there are 4 little mounting screws on the side that we have to actually take out here. It is very straightforward. You can literally just get a Torx screwdriver and undo them. Very straightforward. Then you can grab your new hard drive, in this case it's an SSD, then screw the 4 mounting brackets into the side using your Torx screwdriver. Now once you've done that, again, very simple. You just need to plug the SATA cable into the side of the hard drive or the SSD, whichever you are choosing. And then this is a tiny fiddly bit. You need to push it into one end of the brackets and then push it down, and it should go in nice and easy. Then you get the securing bracket, you push it back in its place, just reverse the process, do up the screws, and we're good to go. Moving on to the RAM. Now this is very straightforward. You literally pull apart, you should hear a click, and then pull the RAM out. The bottom one's slightly more tricky, but once you get your fingers under it, pull the levers out, then plug, and then pull the RAM stick out. Now get into your new RAM. In this case I've got 2 4GB DIMMs. Literally reverse the process, bottom one first, push in and then click it down, and you should hear a nice satisfying 2 clicks. Then do the exact same with the top one, push it in, then clip it down. Lovely, very easy to do. Now that is the whole job done. Get your back plate, make sure you keep the screws in a place you can see them. I've put them on a black cloth, and then I've just screwed them in right back into place. That is all you have to do, nice and easy. Turn over your MacBook and then get your USB stick with bootable. I have El Capitan on it. Plug it into the side, turn on your MacBook, and then follow the instructions on screen. It should be very straightforward. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope this has helped you, and I shall see you in the next video.